I'm Brock Rice with the Darin Marques Group at Huntington and Ellis. Have you ever thought of having your own private getaway up here in Mount Charleston? Well, now you can. Welcome to 2193 via Spes Nostra up here in Lady of the Snow. This property boasts 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a beautifully renovated fireplace and flooring throughout. This property is true off-grid living, complete with a generator, solar, septic, and a community well. And as you come outside, you'll notice that you have some beautiful views right off the back porch.